Hi guys, welcome to Adimola TV Plus YouTube channel, your number one online favorite TV. So today, as you've always known, we got to celebrate our male celebrity. So our male celebrity is in person of Lateef Adedimeji. Woo! Let's get to it.
Lateef Adedimeji Adetola. Today we celebrate a fantastic actor. Lateef Adedimeji is an actor, TV presenter, script writer, and a master of ceremony. Lateef is quite versatile, but is particularly known for his unique ability to get really emotional. In fact, he has been labeled a crime machine by some of his fans. Talking about his career as an actor, Lateef caught a glimpse of his acting when he was in secondary school, and he was picked by an NGO to serve as a peer educator and counselor on HIV and sexually related issues. He was involved in using his budding acting talent to pass the information to the grassroots folks and market women. He then decided to take up full time, which led him joining a professional theatre caucus in 2015. He landed his first major role in the movie Kudiklepto, and he has since then featured in over 100 movies, which include Dalabomi, Etaoku, Stonat, Ogulasan, Love at Last, My Journey, Obunikoko Monkili, Ewadimi, Olonmewa Ipalemodu, and so many more. Lateef Adedimeji was born on 1st February 1986 in Isolo, Lagos State, southwestern Nigeria. He is, however, a native of Abeokuta, Ogun State. He graduated from Olabisi Onabanjo University, where he obtained a bachelor degree in mass communication. Lateef Adedimeji began acting in 2007. He starred in several Nigerian films over the year alongside major names in the movie industry. In 2016, he won the 2016 Best of Nollywood Awards for Best Actor in Lead Role, Yoruba. In 2015, he was nominated for City People Entertainment for the 2015 Most Promising Actor of the Year. Lateef is widely confused to be related to popular Nigerian actor Odolade Adekola due to their uncanny resemblance and sense of humor. He was equally opportune to work with UNICEF due to his writing prowess. So today, Adedimeji Lateef is our MCM for this week. So we love you, Lateef Adedimeji. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, it's all the love we have for Lateef Adedimeji. Join us as we celebrate a multi-talented actor, Lateef Adedimeji. Woo! Okay.
Just coming across the channel for the first time, kindly like, comment, share to your family and friends and your loved ones. And don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms at Adimola TV Plus. Follow us on Facebook at Adimola TV Plus. Follow us on Threads at Adimola TV Plus. Follow us on Twitter at Adimola TV Plus. You can also follow me personally on my Facebook account at Otes Adimola and my Instagram account at Otes Adimola. So you can come to this channel more often and often, so you'll be able to see more of content or videos we posted daily on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. So till next week when we come your way again, I say bye.